Hi, it's K-Red. Join me on this channel as we find joy in pen and paper by creating simple drawings that anyone can do. Let's get started. Today we're going to make a fun and easy flower pattern. Then we add some little boxes down below it. It's a fun variation of a flower and relief that we have made many times. Then we're going to start with a simple stem. I chose to make mine with 2 lines close next to each other, but it'd be just as cute if you did a single line. Start with a circle. I make mine a little bit flatter, so it's a little bit more of an oval than a circle. Then go around it with 3, maybe 4 petals that join up into a sharp point. You're going to see how we're going to top that off in a few minutes. I color in the center circle, and then let's start another one. Once again, I start with the stem, but you don't have to. I think you'll see a little bit later with spacing, I end up doing the flower portion first and then adding the stem where it'll fit. The center and then the stems. Make as few or as many as you would like on your page. Make sure you leave enough open white space on your page though. You don't want to fill it too much. And I like to have the flowers look like they're coming in and out from behind each other. So as you draw them and you go on, go in front of and behind the stems so it'll look like it'll have some depth, that they're coming in and out of each other. We'll do a little shading at the end that can help with that just a little bit. Once I get a few of them drawn, I decide that it would be great fun to put little toppers on each one. The 3 or 4 points, however many petals you have, I connect them up with a line, kind of fuses them together, and then continue out of the flower with a swoop and a colored in circle. Nothing fancy, but just a little bit of whimsy. And that's it. These flowers are just that simple. Perfect if you've had a day where you've done way too much thinking. You just want to sit down, put some pen to paper, and enjoy. On this day, I put on an Audible book, listened to a story, and just felt the stress of the day melt away. Once I have enough flowers on the page, I decide to make a box, but I wasn't feeling straight lines at all. So I made these curvy little blocks. I felt a little bit like they were puzzle pieces of sort. added in some dark lines around them, different varying widths. Then I decided it's time to shade for a bit. Rather than putting too much straight onto the paper, I put just a little bit on each one, and then with my blending tool, I go back in and add shade to the bottom right corner of every block. I decided the only shading I really wanted up on the top flowers was just inside the petals. So that's what I did. Just some quick, easy shading inside each petal. And that's it for this drawing. And that's it for today. Simple, easy, fun. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you again. Please like and subscribe. And we'll have something new to do in just a couple of days. If you give this a try, please put your picture below. Thanks. Bye.